Hello friends, welcome to another show of our cooking. Today we are going to make a quick and easy chicken buffalo wrap which is spicy. That's my favorite. Uh, for this chicken buffalo wrap we need the ingredients as you can see them here. I have some hot sauce, okay? It's Frank's hot sauce you get in the market, okay? Some mozzarella cheese, red roasted pepper, diced tomatoes, English cucumber, carrots, chopped onion, and yellow pepper, and ranch, okay? To make this buffalo chicken wrap, today I am taking plain tortilla wrap to keep it simple, because all the flavors are already in the ingredients, the hot sauce and the ranch dressing and other ingredients, okay? So let's start to make this wrap. To make this wrap, just take a mixing bowl. I took mixed greens, like in the previous episode we have seen. I took baby gem lettuce for the vegetable spinach wrap. So today I took mixed greens, or anything, whatever you like it. You can take romaine lettuce, mixed greens, or baby gem, or napa cabbage, whatever is easy and whatever available at home, okay? Add this to the mixing bowl. Add chicken, grilled chicken, okay? You can use grilled chicken or you can use fried chicken. Fried chicken, when you add in the wrap, it is kind of salty. So I prefer grilled chicken is more towards healthy side, okay? So take a nice piece of grilled chicken, cook it nicely and dice them up in the small cubes, okay? Add carrots, julienne carrots, yellow pepper, red pepper, diced tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, mozzarella cheese, or you can add pepper jack cheese or cheddar cheese, whiskey cheddar cheese, feta cheese, okay? It's optional, it's your choice, okay? Now add ranch dressing to the salad, the last and final ingredient is hot sauce, Frank's hot sauce. Yes, it's a little bit, okay? If you need spicy buffalo chicken, you can add the whole cup, okay? Just make sure it's not too much and it won't be edible anymore, okay? Unlike previous episode, we have seen spinach hummus vegetable wrap. I did added salt and pepper and olive oil, but for chicken buffalo wrap, you don't need to add salt and olive oil, because the ranch and hot sauce has good enough of salt. So I try to avoid the salt and olive oil, okay? Now we have to start mixing this nicely. There we go. Now we can mix it nicely, gently. Don't mash up the salad, okay? Just delicate, okay? Smooth, gently, Okay, you see all the ingredients are mixed well with the ranch and hot sauce. Okay, now we are going to use this in the wrap. As I said earlier, I took today plain tortilla. I grilled it nicely, both sides. Okay. The reason to grill or to toast the wrap is when we put all the ingredients and try to roll it, it won't fall apart or it won't tear apart. Okay. Now we can add this ingredients, everything, all this mix to this wrap. Okay. Nice, evenly distributed. Okay. Now we're going to roll it. Here we go, friends. The wrap is nicely rolled and nice good shape. It didn't fall apart or it didn't tear in the middle. Usually it will tear if you don't toast the tortilla. Okay, so make sure you toast the tortilla both sides, either on the grill or on the saute pan with little bit oil, or you can put on the gas flame like how we do for the pulkas and other wraps. So in that manner you can do it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching. I see you guys next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.